In this video, the parking sensors have stopped working. First, turn on the ignition without the engine running. Select reverse, and there should be a long tone indicating there's a fault. So exit the vehicle, and what you need to do is go up close to each sensor. There should be like a rapid clicking sound. If you listen carefully, I don't know if you can hear it on this video, but there should be a sound. That one's working. The next one is silent. So this one will probably need to be replaced. The next sensor is fine. That one's making a noise. And so the other sensor is also making a noise. It just takes one sensor to be faulty and it would stop all the other sensors from. That's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos.